Today, I will show a way to make a backflow incense burner. Now, let's start. First, find a milk bottle to use as an incense burner. Tear off the label. Then clean up the remaining glue. It makes it look more pure. Then get some small stones and clean them. It would be better if there were flowers. Put these things in the bottle. Put the cap on the bottle. Make sure you punch a hole in the middle of the lid. Light a backflow incense. You see, the smoke trickled down. Beautiful, isn't it? That's the basic tutorial for making your own incense burner. Thank you for watching.